So now let's translate the second part, that we have the conditional only to read values, to be able to read the values from 0 to 10. So if we go here, now we know that after we ask here, let's change this pointer to laser. So after we ask number 1, type a number, we need to check if the value is between 0 to 10. So here, let's create if. So this is how we write the if in C++, the similar as C#. This means or, but we're gonna use an. Okay, number 1, forgot to put number 1. Okay, so in this case, let's do a different way. It is more than 10 and less than 0. We're gonna enter in the if. So here we're using the opposite, and you remember here we use the admiration signal to negate what is here. So if this condition is true, it becomes false. This condition is false, it becomes true. But here we're using the opposite condition. So if the number is outside this limit between 0 and 10, it will enter here. So we want to finish the code, we put return, you remember. So if the number is inside here, it will get out of the program right away. So let's show you, and let's write something here to be sure. See out here, we put wrong number, type a number between 0 to 10. Okay, so let's try this one and you will see how it works. Okay, something is wrong. Let's see what is wrong here. See out what is wrong here. Let's see what is wrong. So we have numeric if and num. I don't see error. Let's see what is the error. Okay, would you like to continue? So what is the error? Declaration of main, return a value. Because our main is not returning something, let's put 0. Let's see. Okay, now it's work. Okay, this is because this is an integer main. So when you return something, you need to return an integer. So in this case, we are returning 0 to get out of the loop. So here, type a number. Let's type 11, 12. So it didn't work. So let's check. So if this is less than 0, and this is also, we need to change it. So this is good for debugging. So here is or. If our number is below 0, we should go inside, or either it is more than 10. So let's try one more time. So let's try -1. Wrong number, type a number between 0 to 10. So it's working. Let's try it again one more time. Let's type 11. Wrong number, type C. Now let's type a number correctly. 0, no, let's put 1, multiply by 2, result is 2. So it's working, our conditional. We can copy this and paste this to the second number, right? So we will take here like this, we will change this to 2, and we have done the if conditional in C++. So So type a number 10 and this one 12, and it's telling is wrong. So we can do now else. We can use the else